Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to subject English class 7. Now students, once again I would like to say you that while writing in your answer sheet, write with neat and good handwriting. Some students has confusion that whether they write each section on new page or continue. So students, if you want to write each and every section on new page, you can. And if you want to write continue after completed section A, if space is there and you want to write continue section B, so you can do that also. Now another thing is that you have completed unit 3 recapitulation. Today we'll see unit 6 recapitulation. If you want detailed explanation, you can go through the previous videos of this lesson. In unit 6, there is Prose Expert Detectives, which is written by Sharda Dwivedi, and the poem Mystery of the Talking Fan, which is written by Maude Rubin. Now students, remember the name of poet and the name of author who wrote the prose, who wrote the poem. Now we'll see what we have seen in Expert Detectives. Now before we move to our story, I just say that in this story there are many characters. The main characters like Nishad, or you can say Savin, and his sister Maya. Another main character is Mr. Nath. The whole story is just talking about these three characters like Nishad, Maya and Mr. Nath. Then these two children, mother, she's a doctor. Ramesh, who is helping Mr. Nath to take a meal. He's provided meal from the downstairs restaurant. Mr. Mehta is also one of the characters of this story. Now, as we know that in this story, both brother and sister, Nishad and Maya, continuously discussing about the character Mr. Nath. They are thinking that the person is a criminal. Actually, not both are thinking about this, about Mr. Nath this, but especially Maya, who's thinking and giving many, you can say that clues or many ideas that the person is a criminal, and she's trying hard to prove that the person is a criminal. And they are thinking so much about this person because the person is not talking much with other people. Then they are giving different their opinion. So Maya giving opinion that the person is a criminal, he is an escaped criminal, and she is saying doubtfully because that she's saying that the person has some scars on his face, so maybe the person is escaped from the police. And after she is giving many reasons about it, when Nisha say that I got a chance to pick up in his room, so she became very happy that what you have seen inside. Inside there is a trunk. You have seen? Nishad say, no, I haven't seen because of darkness. So she become angry that what rubbish. You haven't seen anything. She's saying stupid and these words again and again to her brother. Then she's saying that the person has lots of silver, gold, jewels in his room. But Nishad is not agree and not listening what she actually saying. After she started to saying about the marks which on his face. Then next day, when Nishad went with his mother in clinic, that time after coming back, Nishad said that I got an opportunity to see Mr. Nath. That time she is thinking that she didn't get the chance and she became nervous. After Nishad saying about Mr. Nath, how the person is looking. He is feeling too much pity about that person. After they are talking about the Sunday visitor, then I got some information from Ramesh that the person has a Sunday visitor and the person is taking meal also on that day, and the same person is coming every day. The person is tall, the person is fair, the person is wearing spectacles. These all things he knew about Mr. Nath from Ramesh. So he informed everything to Maya. Maya became very happy after listening this, and he said that yeah, you are a good expert detectives. Now we'll see, we have seen that once again they got some holiday because of monsoon. That dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunder burst with all their fury, flooded the streets, and that's why heavy downpour happened. So school was to have reopened after summer holidays, but because of this flooded roads and everything, they got once again unexpected holidays. So once again they are free. Now what happened in part 2? That they started one investigation about Mr. Nath, and Maya wrote many things, many points about Mr. Nath, that which kind of information they collected related Mr. Nath to prove that the person is a criminal, the person is a crew. So first he said to Nishad, would you like to listen what I have written about Mr. Nath? And one by one she started saying that the person might be has a different name, but he's saying that he's Mr. Nath, that his name is Mr. Nath. But here Maya has a doubt that the person hasn't this name. After she say fact number 2, that the tenants at Shankar house saying that the person is a maid, strange and unfriendly. Now students, remember these all points. So while writing answers of the question, you can easily write in your own language too. Then they got one more information that the person is not talking with anyone. Then that time Nishad denied that it's not true. He's very polite one, even he is talking very good way with Mama because he's coming to Mama's clinic. So that time also Maya said that he has to speak because he is in a treatment, under the treatment of Mama's. That's why he's speaking polite with us and with Mama. After she said that he has a friend, he's not receiving any letters. Earlier, they are talking with her friends, with her family, with letter. There is no more mobile phones. People are not using too much mobile phones like us. So they are giving information and they are asking about their health, everything, while to write letters, and they are asking these all things. So Maya is saying that he is not receiving letter also. So the person is alone. After she said that He's living in a one room, and he's living alone from 1 year, and he hasn't any friend also. Only one visitor is coming, who might be the partner in a criminal, in a crime. Ramesh, who is taking food and tea every day from the downstairs restaurant to Mr. Nath's room. But Nishad was not interested to listen to these all things. He's not paying attention what Maya is actually saying to him, because he's feeling kindness towards Mr. Nath. He's not ready to listen to these all things about Mr. Nath. And he wasn't agree with Maya also that the person is a criminal. He's thinking that the person is very thin, very lonely. And he said that he will try to do friendship with Mr. Nath. That time I say that I will meet when the police will come to arrest Mr. Nath, he will arrest you too. But he's not ready to listen anything, and he decided to do friendship with Mr. Nath. And he says very stubbornly, very firmly, that I like that person, I'm going to try to be his friend. That time she's making fun on him that, are you crazy? When the police will come, police will arrest you also with Mr. Nath. But whatever she's saying, Nishad is not ready to listen her. So there, our lesson over. Now we'll see a short summary of Mystery of the Talking Fan. Now, as we know that sometimes our ceiling fan in our room, in our home, in any room of our home, making noise, lots of noise, and sometimes this noise irritates us. But sometimes they are moving very smoothly. So here, the poet Maude Rubin is talking about this only, and he given some imagination related it, that the fan doesn't need anything but only the oil to move very smoothly and to throw the air. And the fan just wants one electrician who can put an oil on the motor. Earlier what the poet said, a very good imagination has created that the fan is saying something but I cannot understand. But one day, one person oiled in, and that whirling motor started moving very smoothly, and all the mystery spoiled, ruined away. Means, earlier the poet said that I can understand that what actually the fan is telling me. But after he said that mystery is spoiled away, ruined away. Now the fan is moving very silently like a water. Still as water. He rained as still as water, very silently. Here he is comparing the fan's sound with water, that very smoothly, very silently he is moving and throwing air. So students, there's both lesson, one poem, Mystery of the Talking Fan, and Expert Detectives. If you want more explanation related this both, you can once again see previous videos so you can easily get the ideas. Now if you have any doubts related this unit 6, then write in the comment box. I can solve it. Maybe in the comment box only I give answer, or maybe in the next video. Now students, in our next video we'll see writing section also and grammar also. But before this, you can start learning this 2 unit. We have only 2 unit this time, so learn it well. And don't forget that you have to write everything with a blue pen in your answer sheet. And if you have not completed yet your question answer in your CW, then you can start copy question answers and other exercises in your CW, in your textbook, in your grammar kit. So while learning, it will be easy for you to learn. So students, all the best for your exam and do your best in the exam.